Middle Bass Island is a relaxed and picturesque location with a rich history, making it an excellent destination to explore by bike. Our trip to Middle Bass Island starts at Put-in Bay on South Bass Island. While there is direct ferry service from Catawba to Middle Bass Island by the Miller Ferry Line, we chose the Sonny-S, which runs from Put-in Bay to Middle Bass Island once an hour, a distance of about a half-mile. The floating tiki bar was not an option. The Bass Islands include South Bass, Middle Bass, and North Bass. As you depart, you will pass by Gibraltar Island, the site of the Ohio State University's Stone Laboratory. Middle Bass Island is 800 acres in size, making it easy to explore as a day trip. There are less than 100 full-time, year-round residents. In addition to biking, visitors can enjoy fishing, kayaking, swimming, and bird watching. The Lake Erie Islands have a climate that is quite favorable for growing grapes. At one time, the vineyards on Middle Bass Island were the largest in the country. The historic Lonz family began their winery on the island in 1884. Make sure to tour the museum located in the wine cellars. Following a collapse of the winery's terrace in 2000, the property was taken over by the Ohio State Parks, with subsequent restoration and preservation efforts. The state park now has 124 acres on the island. The Island Grind has coffee, tea, and food available. The Lonz family residence has also been restored and is available for overnight accommodations. The state park also maintains the Marina with 190 slips. Head out along the Marina to the inlet. You will pass the Middle Bass Yacht Club. From here, you'll have a nice view of Ballast Island and in the distance, Kelly's Island. This is the state park office. There is a primitive campground on the island with 10 sites. The island has only two primary roads: Fox Road, running from south to north, and East Road running to East Point. As you head north on Fox Road from the ferry docks and State Park, you will pass St. Hazard's on the right, where there is lodging and dining available, as well as a nice pool. There is also the Middle Bass Lakeshore condominiums, which have rentals. On the left side of the street is JF Walleyes, which too offers food, drinks, and a great pool. This is the School and Interdenominational Church of Middle Bass Island. The school is no longer open, and students are flown to Put-in Bay each day for classes. Here is the Middle Bass Cemetery. The Middle Bass General Store has a bar and restaurant as well. This is the Middle Bass Airport. There are a number of trails and preserves on the island, including Peterson Woods, East Point Preserve, and the Costello Nature Preserve. This is where Fox Road ends. From here, you can circle back and bike East Road, past Honks Pond, towards East Point. There is a second grass airstrip on the island. This is the East Point Preserve. This is where our ride ends, and we returned back to the ferry docks to await Sonny-S back to Put-in Bay. Thank you for watching.